This is another problem related to case study type of problems. This is related to applications of derivatives. A rectangular card whose perimeter is 36 centimeters is cut from a cardboard. On the basis of the information given, answer the following questions. If x and y are the length and breadth of the rectangle, then what will be the breadth of the rectangle in terms of its length? A. X is equal to 18 plus y. B. X is equal to 18 minus y. C. Y is equal to 18 plus x. And D is y is equal to 18 minus x. Now let us quickly solve this. Given the perimeter is equal to 36 centimeters. Now we know the perimeter of the rectangle is 2 into x plus y is equal to the perimeter, which is equal to 36 centimeters. Or from this we get x plus y is equal to 36 by 2, which is equal to centimeters. Or we have taken, they have said x is the length and y is the breadth, and they are asking you to find out the breadth in terms of length. So y is equal to 18 minus x centimeters is the correct option. Let's see which is the correct option. Y is equal to 18 minus x. So option D is the correct option. Second one, 2. If the rectangle is revolved about its breadth, then what would be the volume of the resulting cylinder? A. Pi into 18x squared plus x cubed. B. Pi into 18x squared minus x cubed. C. Pi into x squared minus 18x cubed. And D. Pi into x squared plus 18x cubed. Now let us quickly solve this. So when the volume, when the rectangle is now going to be rotated about its breadth, then the breadth becomes the height and the base x will now become the length would now become the radius. So now we know volume of a cylinder, the resulting figure will be a cylinder, so which is nothing but volume of the cylinder is pi r squared h. Now r is equal to x now, and y will become the h. H will be equal to y. So which is nothing but v is equal to pi into x squared into y. Or in the place of y, now we can substitute. Already we found out y is nothing but 18 minus x. So we can now substitute v is equal to pi into x squared into 18 minus x. Or which is equal to pi into 18x squared minus x cubed. We can see that option B is correct. Pi into 18x squared minus x cubed is the correct option. Now coming to the third subdivision. The length of the rectangle when the volume is maximum is A, x is equal to 2, B, x is equal to 4, C, x is equal to 8, D, x is equal to 12. Now let us quickly solve this. We have found out the volume to be equal to, so volume is equal to pi into 18x squared minus x cubed. So this is the volume of the resulting cylinder. To find out the maximum value, we need to differentiate with respect to x on both sides. So dv by dx is equal to pi into 18 2s are 36x minus 3x squared. When the volume is maximum, dv by dx is 0. So that would give you 0 is equal to pi into 36x minus 3x squared, or this implies 3x squared is equal to 36x, or this implies x is equal to 0 or x is equal to 12. Obviously x cannot be 0, so x can be 12 centimeters. So the length can be 12 centimeters. X is equal to 12. When the volume is maximum, x is equal to 12. 12 centimeters is the correct option. So D is the correct option. Fourth subdivision. The dimensions of the rectangle are A 6, 12, B 12, 6, C 8, 16, D 16, 8. So already we found out the length to be 12 now, And therefore, the breadth we know is nothing but y is equal to 18 minus x. That is, y is equal to 18 minus 12, which is equal to 6. So, the length x is equal to 12 centimeters and the breadth y is equal to 6 centimeters. So, option B is correct. And coming to the fifth subdivision, maximum value of the resulting cylinder is what? So, to find out the maximum value of the cylinder, now we need to find out the d squared y by dx squared. So d squared v by dx squared. Already we found out dv by dx is nothing but pi into 36x minus 3x squared. So, dv by dx, let me put it as dv by dx is equal to pi into 36x minus 3x squared. So, therefore, d squared v by dx squared will be equal to pi into 36 minus 6x. Pi into 36 minus 6x. So, already we found out x to be 12. So, this would give you, this is equal to pi into 36 into 6 into 12, 36. So, this would give you, obviously we can see this value is lesser than 0. So, it is a maximum. So, x is equal to 12, at x is equal to 12, volume of the resultant cylinder is maximum. Now, volume of the cylinder at x is equal to 12 is equal to pi into 18x squared minus x cubed, is it not? In the place of x, let us put as 12 squared minus 12 cubed, or which is equal to pi into 18 into 144 minus 12 cubed. On simplifying, we get this to be equal to 864 pi. 864 pi centimeter cube. So, option C is correct.